my channel. I am so excited because we are actually being hosted by this beautiful villa. This is Villa Deluxe. It's located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. It is a 4-bedroom villa and it sleeps 8 guests. Really beautiful. The finishes are really nice. The staff is nice. If you are looking to visit a villa in St. Anne in Discovery Bay, close by, it's a really nice stay. It's kind of tucked away, so it's not in main, I mean, Discovery Bay is not that big, but it is up the road from the main road and it's tucked away. The landscaping is beautiful, the ambiance is beautiful and nice up here as well, and there are cute little spots that you can have like your lunch, your breakfast, everything. For tonight we're going to be setting up on the balcony, so we're setting up dinner for tonight. The chef is preparing some escovitch fish for us, so beforehand they called us, asked us what we ate, what we didn't eat, things like that, preferences, and all the information that you're going to need about staying here at Villa Deluxe is going to be in the description box below. We also have a discount code which will be in the description box below, and it's also here on the screen. So if you go to book to stay here at Villa Deluxe, get a 10% discount off your stay. Touches on my face. I'm not loving the lip. I think it looks a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit. I'm not even lighten it up a little bit, yeah. So I'm gonna be using this. I really don't know what the color. It's rose mauve. I think it's Bath and Body Works. I honestly think that's what it is. I feel like I should pin back my hair a little bit. I think I should, because yeah, I did my hair, as you can see. I love this because it doesn't feel it's not tender at all. I don't think I want to brush in my edges. I'm just gonna let them stay like that, and that's it. So I'll see you guys for dinner, and then that's gonna be it for the night. So guys, we are at Green Grotto Cave. We cannot film inside, but we got a little bit. This is the entrance for Green Grotto Cave. We're going, bye! I have been resting and it's now time to get ready for dinner. I'm really excited for dinner because I'm starving right now. So you would have seen that we went to Green Grotto Caves. Never been there before, despite growing up in Discovery Bay. However, it was so nice. We've been in caves before. When we traveled to Dominican Republic the first time, we went to Los Tres Ojos, which is pretty similar to Green Grotto Caves, how it is kind of set up. Oh, we also went to caves in Colombia, the Salt Cathedral, which is I very much recommend you visit. But Green Grotto Caves it's a cave. It has it has a lake inside, underground, rich history that's tied to our ancestors here in Jamaica. So it's really nice. I very much recommend that you go. So for tonight, I think we're gonna be having coconut curry shrimp. It was gonna just be salsa curry shrimp, but if you know me, you know I love coconut milk in every single thing. So I'm gonna do something really chill for my hair and outfit for tonight. I'm gonna wear a dress, of course, and I'm thinking I'm going to put my hair up. So maybe do like a little tendril thingy at the front like this, and then probably pin my hair back and up out of because I need to show. Ooh, it's pulling my hair. Maybe I should do a half up, half down. No, I'm gonna get it all the way up. Alright, so I'm going to be using some mousse for my edges. This dress, I think this is gonna be nice. We're gonna be setting up dinner in the foyer area, like the landing area when you come up from the foyer. Let me put on this dress. So this is I hear somebody.
Hey.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my gosh. How do you like my dress? I'm recording right now.
Oh, you're recording right now?
Yeah. You took me by surprise. I'm not gonna do any makeup. It's very chill, tropical vibes. So spray some Tropic Glow, a shimmering mist, a little shimmery for hubby. I'm gonna spray this into the Bodycology. I love this. This is very strong. I don't know if you guys are seeing properly. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. Bodycology. Very pretty. Gloss lip color. It's a nourishing lip tint with hyaluronic acid. So it matches my nails. So I got my lip oil, which is a little more tinted, just to bring out the color value, because I wasn't loading that pink thing. Went and dug for it, and then I'm gonna add, just to top it off, this lip gloss. I think this is what I use. This is what I got. It's Bath and Body Works and it smells amazing. It smells like pumpkin pie. So when we should come down, and then also because dinner is supposed to be for 6, it's now 6:04, and then also just wanted to confirm a couple things. All right, so that's gonna be it. So you'll see a little bit of dinner, and then I think I'll pick up back tomorrow. and I just decide to do some makeup tonight. So it's really simple night. We're having a romantic dinner, so rushing to go down and get to that. They've set up and it's so pretty downstairs, so I'm just gonna run down and get to dinner. I'm wondering if I should wear this necklace. No, it's too much. I'm gonna keep myself how I am. So yeah, heading down for dinner now. This is the look. Hey. So yeah, our stay here has been very it's luxury. We had an awesome dinner last night, a romantic dinner outside on the front lawn. We laid in this morning. We had breakfast in bed, and that was really nice. I can't recommend this place enough because, you know, you come to places and you expect, like, the staff is just warm. They're just warm, and they really went, you know, a little like over expectations, just setting things up. Having that romantic dinner last night was just extra nice, and it was just it felt so warm here. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below, and also remember that you can use our discount code CountryEdit10. It will be in the description box, and it's also here on the screen right now, CountryEdit10, and you can get 10% off your booking. I will confirm how long that will go for, and I'll put that in the description box below. I'm thinking, I'm not sure which glasses I'm gonna wear. Thinking I'm gonna go with these. These are my favorite glasses. I love them so much. I got them in Colombia, and they're really, I think you can get them anywhere. They're really not that special, but I just love them. I'm in love with this shape because I'm leaning into my 90s-ness. Just wiping off these glasses because they have got a lot of sun and lotion and everything on them, and sand and everything, so they need to be cleaned off. Just doing a little wipe. Hey, you wanna come? You wanna tell them about your time here, what you feel?
It was great.
Your face is like, it was great.
It was great. I really enjoyed myself.